So, okay lang ba yung iba-iba yung ina-upload? Okay lang. Pero lagi may advantage to my niche. Kasi nga gagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, content creator ka, fina-follow na kita. May nagustuhan akong content kaya ako nag-follow tapos iba na yung ina-upload mo. I don't care about those new videos. Kasi it doesn't have to do with the previous video na nagustuhan ko. Sabi nga, you have to check kung ano nagustuhan sa'yo ng tao, then you have to keep doing it. Kung ano hindi nagwo-work, kung ano hindi nagugustuhan, stop it. So, okay lang yung ano, kung ang gusto mo lang is mag-upload talaga, i-express yung sarili mo, libangan mo lang ang reels, it's okay. Pero kung ang gusto mo talaga is mag-grow, makilala ka, the most important way of growing sa social media is to be known for something. So, kung iba-iba yung ginagawa mo, how can we remember you for something? Eh, iba-iba yung ginagawa mo. Alright? Diyan papasok yung sinasabi nilang kiliti, yung KLT. Na kapag creator ka, mas maganda that they know you, they love you, and they trust you. And how can you do that? If hindi naman lahat ng na-upload mo is something beneficial sa akin or I don't find value on it. Hindi ko sinasabing walang value yung ginagawa mo, it's just that it's not for me. Okay? Para sa akin, mas mahalaga yung instead of kiliti yung tatlong R, na mas maganda na they recognize you. Uy, si Manong B. Manong B pala pangalan yan. Diba? They recognize you, they remember you. Nakaproblema sila. For example, uy, may problema ako sa restriction. Punta nga tayo kay Manong B, baka masasagot niya. Naalala nila na akong puntahan. And of course, they should recommend me. Uy, nagka-problema si ganito. Ay, pumunta ka kay ganyan. Matutulungan ka nun. Recognize, remember, recommend. If they yun yung sinasabi natin na fan mo na yan. If they recognize you, if they remember you, and if they recommend you. Okay? So again, sa mga tatanong palagi, okay lang po ba to? Okay lang. Magkaiba kasi yung okay lang sa ideal. If it's just your, di ba? O gusto mo talagang gawin yan, there's nothing wrong about it. But if you really wanted to grow, if you really wanted to be known, you have to be known for something.